this is Suman Jain, and in this video I'm going to share you the coolest feature of Canva, which is called curved text, which has been introduced, and you would be seeing onto your pro version of Canva as well very soon. So I'll just show you a few examples of mine which I've already done. You can see here, right? You can see here this text has been done inside this Canva itself, and the logo which I've made is just a simple one. I just want to show you an example. So I've even downloaded it, and you can see the effect. It's something similar, right? It's a curved text. So where is this feature enabled, right? So what you need to do is I'll just create a new one, a fresh one, so for you to make it to understand. So the first thing which I've done is I've just taken a text. Okay, I've just added one text box, and you can definitely make it changes whatever you wanted. Okay, and you can type whatever you wanted. So what I've done is I just typed one of the things. So I'll be just typing something else. What a cool feature from Canva. All right. So now what I've done is I've changed the font. Definitely you need to change it. You can change as per your need. All right. And you can go for the lighter one as well, or you can go for the darker one, whatever it's your requirements. So you can go for any of your choices. And if you're going for these, okay, so what I have to do is I have to make sure here. So it's not enabling it. Okay, so what we are doing is I'll just go for this. Okay, and after that I'm clicking on this effect section, and when you see on this effect section you will see this curve. All right, so when you're seeing this curve, you would see it over here. Can you see this, guys? You can see it over here. So you can see here this feature. Okay, so now you can see here how the radius of the circle, you can decrease it. Okay, you can see here we are bringing it inside, and if you have to bring it outward, can you see this? Right? It's pretty cool, right? So this is a feature which has recently been introduced by Canva, and you can see here you can go either this side or you can go and flip it with the other side. So if now anyone would like to use this curve feature, that will be helpful for each one of us, so that we can make a cool logo as well. So once you do it, okay, you can use any of the features you want to use it. What I've done is I've just used a element section of circle here. Okay, and I've just resized it. I just wanted to make sure it best fits inside. Okay, you can use it anything. You can use any of the images or whatever you wanted. So sorry. I'll just take an example of it. So it looks pretty cool. All right. So this is how you can see these features, and you can see here I've already done it, and I just want to show you this, which I've. Okay. So you can see here, right? So you can increase it, you can decrease it and increase it. So this is a feature which has been introduced very recently by Canva, and I believe you would be using it, and now you would be really happy with using this feature. Post below this video all your comments, so that will be helping me to understand what more you wanted to learn from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking out for more such kind of videos, then subscribe to this channel and make sure you watch completely.